Hello, happy viewers. Welcome to our channel Indulge and Beyond, and welcome to another episode of Easy Home Cooking. So today, what I'm going to cook, I'm going to show you pretty soon. But before that, I want to thank you everybody for your constant support and subscribing our channel. Those who are new here today, please like our videos and subscribe. So today, what I'm going to do, it's over here. So as you see, this is a rack of a lamb. So I'm going to do lamb chops today, and it's a grilling. So we're going to grill some lamb chops. So I have a lamb chops here. I already wash it in warm water and try to keep it on some paper towel. So I'll take the excess water out, and then what I'm going to show how to cut this in small chop pieces and then marinate it. So let's start the cutting first. So friends, I'm going to use the knife and cut this lamb rack in small individual pieces. It will be a lamb chop then. So let's cut it. We have to go see, it comes out as small one piece. I'm going to keep it in this bowl. It's better to go straight. If you go straight, it will just cut out like a butter. Friends, my last chop, as you see, I cut individual bones, the rack, and my chop is ready. It's very good size here, and I'm going to show how to marinate this one. I'm going to use some spices. So before I start that, I'll keep everything in a bowl, and I'll come back and show you the marination. Let's start the marination. I'm going to use a teaspoon of salt, or you can use as per your taste. I'm going to use some garlic powder. I have some garlic powder. It could be like a half teaspoon of garlic powder, and then I'm going to use a small teaspoon of ginger powder in it. This is a ginger powder, and then I'm going to use some cumin and coriander powder. Probably I'm going to take like a 3/4 teaspoon of a cumin to a teaspoon max, and then same for the coriander powder. The coriander powder I'll take like 3/4 teaspoon of coriander powder, and then what I'm going to use here, chili powder and chili flakes. So I'm going to use 2 small teaspoon of chili powder. You can make a little bit spicier, you can add a little more if you want, but I'm going to use a little bit of chili flakes also in this. And one special thing I'm going to add along with this is any steak seasoning. So I have some steak seasoning I opened today, so I can use some steak seasoning. It's a combination of salt, so you get some salt from here also, maybe a half teaspoon to a teaspoon of seasoning, and then I'm going to squeeze in some lime. That's very important. So maybe you can use up to 2 limes. So I'm going to use my hand to marinate this. You can use spoon. And then some oil, which is very important because I'm going to put that on a grill. So you have to use like 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil. Depends how many lamb chops you have. So I'm going to use like a teaspoon here, and then try to use your hand maybe to mix everything and get it on the lamb chops. Keep in mind you are handling a raw meat, so keep your hand clean in between. That's a food safety. So this looks okay. All my spices I try to put on the lamb chop, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep this in a refrigerator for 20 minutes to half an hour, and this will going to work fast, and then I'm going to use the grill to grill it. So friends, as you see, this is well marinated now, my lamb chops. Yeah, so you have to keep at least half an hour to 45 minutes an hour for marination, but I just kept this overnight. I just thought I'll keep it overnight, and I'll just doing it following day. So my grill is ready now. It's almost 350 Fahrenheit. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use some olive oil. I have some spray here. But before that, I'm going to put it on my grill. I'm going to cook it in low. I will spray some olive oil on the top and I'm going to cover it. Let it cook. It's the time to taste now. So friends, as you see, this is ready. Lamb chops is ready. It's time to taste. So I got a couple of pieces here. Very tasty. Well done. I think as you see, the mutton is well done inside the lamb. If it is a little bit thicker, then you have to keep it a little bit longer. But yeah, it's very tasty, easy to make at home. Try it, friends. So if you like our lamb chops episode, please give it a thumbs up. And friends, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.